Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best macro lens is probably one of the most exciting accessories you can get for your Android phone if you're into photography. It allows you to capture incredible details of tiny subjects that your phone's camera can't normally see. In this video, we'll dive into the world of macro lenses, exploring their features, benefits, and how to choose the perfect one to elevate your mobile photography game. Number 5. Xenvo Pro Lens Kit for iPhone and Android. This kit works with all smartphones, tablets, and laptops, including all iPhone and Samsung Galaxy models. It includes a wide-angle lens, a macro lens, a lens clip, an LED light, a lanyard, a case, and a cleaning cloth. This kit also comes with a lifetime warranty. Capture 45% more picture with every snap with this wide-angle lens. It's crafted from aircraft-grade aluminum and premium optical glass. The multi-element, coated glass lenses minimize ghosting and reflections. This lens is ideal for both hobbyists and photography pros. Marvel your senses with the macro lens. It magnifies nearby subjects for breathtaking, super close-up photos. Capture all the details with precision focus. The True Grip lens clip offers superior gripping power to fasten the lenses to your phone. The Glow Clip LED light clips anywhere on your phone to instantly illuminate your subject. It provides warm, continuous light, superior to your smartphone's built-in flash. It has 3 brightness settings: low, medium, and high. Transport and protect your lens kit with the included travel case and lanyard. The case stores and protects all components safely. The quick-release lanyard is the perfect way to carry the lenses, so you never miss a photo opportunity. What we like. This kit offers a wide-angle lens to capture more in your shots, perfect for landscapes or group photos. The included LED fill light ensures your subjects are well lit, even in low-light conditions. If you're looking to elevate your mobile photography with versatile tools and a built-in light source, you should consider this kit. What people say. The glass is so nice and clear. The light is super bright on the 3rd setting. The focus on these lenses are very accurate, scary accurate. LOL, I looked under my nails and was grossed out. It's so detailed that I can see my fingerprints in such detail that I never seen before. The color accuracy is on point. Number 4. KEYWING 3-in-1 Phone Camera Lens Kit. This 3-in-1 lens kit lets you capture stunning close-up shots. The 20x macro lens allows you to explore the tiny details of the world. It has a best focusing distance of 1.18 to 3.54 inches. Expand your perspective with the 120 degrees wide-angle lens. It increases your shooting area, allowing you to capture more in every shot. This lens is perfect for landscapes and group photos. Get a unique and fun look with the 198 degrees fisheye lens. It creates a strong visual distortion, making subjects appear cuter and more interesting. This lens is great for adding a creative touch to your photos. Enjoy amazing clarity and detail with the professional HD lenses. They reduce reflections and ghosting, providing you with a clear and vibrant image. The aluminum shell ensures durability. Using the lenses is incredibly simple. Just attach the lens to the clip and clip it onto your phone's camera. The soft rubber protects your phone from scratches, and the strong spring ensures a secure fit. These lenses work with most smartphones, including iPhone, Samsung, and Google phones. The universal clip design makes it easy to attach. For best results, remove your phone case before use. The kit includes a wide-angle lens, a fisheye lens, a macro lens, a universal clip, a storage bag, and a user manual. Everything you need to start taking amazing photos with your phone is included. What we like. This 3-in-1 kit includes a 20x macro lens for detailed close-ups, a wide-angle lens to expand your view, and a fisheye lens for creative shots. The easy clip-on design makes it simple to attach to your phone. If you enjoy experimenting with different perspectives and want a simple setup, this is the perfect choice. What people say. I think the macro lens is really useful. You can get reasonably good, clear close-ups that the phone can't do on its own. I bought this to take pictures of my shrimp, to get better quality pictures, and it's great. I screwed the micro lens into the clip and clipped it on. I have an iPhone 13. Not sure how it would work with phones that have the 3 camera lenses, but it works well for my phone that has just 2. You can even see the eyes on the shrimp that haven't been born yet. Second pick is of a baby shrimp that's only 3 mm in length. It definitely allows focusing in when only a couple inches from the subject. Number 3. 3-in-1 Cell Phone Camera Lens Kit. Introducing a versatile clip-on lens kit for your smartphone. It is designed for easy use and compatibility with most phones. The detachable clamp with soft rubber protects your phone from scratches. Installing and removing it is a breeze, fitting most smartphones with a single lens rear camera. The lenses are made from durable aluminum. This ensures the product's longevity and provides a premium feel. This kit expands your phone's picture-taking abilities. Use the macro lens for detailed close-ups, the fisheye lens for unique shots, and the wide-angle lens to capture more. The mini lenses work on most smartphones with camera lenses under 13 mm. It is compatible with iPhone, iPad, Samsung, and other smartphones. The wide-angle and macro lenses are combined for easy storage. To use the wide-angle, attach both. To use the macro, simply unscrew the wide-angle lens. What we like. This kit provides both a wide-angle and a macro lens in one convenient package. The clip-on design ensures easy attachment to most smartphones. If you're looking for a simple, yet effective way to enhance your phone's camera capabilities, especially for close-up shots, this is a great option. What people say. Well, it works and gives pretty much a full view of my kid's crib in day and night mode. The macro lens did confuse me since it was two parts and both of them individually made the lens blurry, but I figured out they got together and it's worth it. Cell phone camera lens kit is a solid choice for anyone looking to enhance their mobile photography. This kit includes a wide-angle lens, a macro lens, and a fisheye lens, each designed to expand the creative possibilities of your smartphone camera. Number 2. Cell phone camera lens kit for iPhone and Android. This kit includes a variety of lenses to enhance your phone's camera. It offers different effects, from wide-angle shots to macro details, giving you more creative control. The lenses are made with high-quality glass. This ensures sharp images with minimal distortion, so your photos will look their best. Each lens provides a unique visual effect. You can capture a broader scene, zoom in on details, or create fun, artistic shots with the fisheye and kaleidoscope lenses. The kit includes filters like CPL, starburst, and soft filters. These filters help reduce reflections, add dramatic flares, and soften backgrounds. The clip-on design works with most smartphones. It's compatible with many iPhone and Samsung models, as well as other Android devices. What we like. This comprehensive kit offers an impressive 11 different lenses, including macro, wide-angle, fisheye, and various filter effects. It's compatible with a wide range of smartphones. If you're a photography enthusiast who loves to experiment with different creative effects, this kit gives you a lot of options. What people say. The lenses are sturdy and the carrying case is also very sturdy. These lenses are super easy to use, feel like they're high quality, and the macro lens especially is to die for. Fits over my thick phone case. Great product. Number 1. iOgrapher 37mm wide-angle lens for iPhone. This lens is the perfect accessory for anyone who loves taking photos with their phone. It allows you to capture stunning landscapes and panoramas with ease. Get up close and personal with the macro lens. It allows you to capture the tiniest details with incredible clarity. Whether you're photographing a flower or a bug, it will help you create amazing images. The wide-angle lens is perfect for group photos, selfies, and vlogging. With this lens, you can capture more of the scene in your photos and videos, so you can tell a better story. Made from high-quality materials, this lens is built to last. You'll be able to take amazing photos for years to come, no matter what device you're using. This phone lens is designed for simplicity and ease of use. It's small and portable, so you can take it with you wherever you go, whether you're shooting with an iPhone or any other smartphone. What we like. This lens kit focuses on simplicity and quality, offering both wide-angle and macro lenses. The high-quality design ensures durability and clear images. If you're looking for a reliable and easy-to-use lens kit to enhance your mobile photography, this is a great choice. What people say. The lens is easy to attach and use. The macro lens provides excellent image quality and captures fine details. The lens has a good build quality. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.